Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite CAT Channel quantifiers. So in our day 2 quiz question of the day, we are going to discuss a very good question based upon the concept known as location of roots in algebra. Right. Okay, before we move to the question, this is the overview of the course that we provide for CAT. It is one of the most comprehensive course you can find. If you wish to join us, you can join us with the link given in the description. Now, let's see what the question is all about. The question says find A if the equation a plus 3x square minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0 have roots such that magnitude of one root is less than 2 and the other root is greater than 2. So basically what it is saying that there is a point 2, एक रूट इससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए and एक रूट इससे कम होना चाहिए. So it should lie something like this. So magnitude of one root is this and other is this. Now, one of the most basic error that all the people do, what do they do? They just find the answer using this one condition only, But there is something else also. This graph is incomplete as of now. Why is this graph incomplete? This graph is incomplete because of this word magnitude. हमें दिया हुआ है magnitude of one root is less than 2 and the other root is greater than 2. मतलब कि लेट अस से मैंने यहाँ पे रखा अपनी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कराने के लिए मैंने कुछ कॉन्स्टेंट्स बनाए, एक रूट लिख दिया 5 और एक रूट लिख दिया -6. तो ठीक है, पढ़ने में तो यही आएगा ना कि वन रूट इज ग्रेटर देन 2 एंड अदर रूट इज लेस देन 2, राइट? बट वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नंबर एज अ होल, वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट मैग्नीट्यूड. Magnitude means mod value of this. So mod value of -6 is 6, which means magnitude of both the roots here is greater than 2. Okay, magnitude of both the roots alpha and beta is greater than 2 in this case. In which case when I am saying कि मैंने एक रूट को सिर्फ एक कंडीशन मान ली, 2 लिख लिया, एक रूट को 2 से बड़ा बना दिया, एक रूट से छोटा बना दिया. बट इस केस में मेरे सारे कंडीशंस आ गई जहां पे मेरा रूट -2 से छोटा होगा. जब भी मेरा रूट -2 से भी छोटा होगा, that means that this condition is not satisfying. And why is this condition not satisfying? Because the magnitude of both the roots is greater than 2 in this case. Now what I want to do, I need to basically check it for two conditions. Then this is not the complete graph. Magnitude of graph में हम क्या कहेंगे, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. हम कहेंगे कि इसकी दो कंडीशंस आती हैं. क्या कंडीशंस आती हैं? एक तो ये ग्राफ इस तरह से हो सकता है, lying between 2 and -2, right? This is possible. Or what can be the other condition? Other condition is, let's say this is -2, this is 2, and this is the position of graph here. Even in this case, magnitude of one root is this root is greater than 2, and this root is magnitude is less than 2. In both these cases, my answer is satisfied. Now I have to check those values for my graph जिसके लिए ये चीज satisfy कर रही है. Now, when we did location of roots in detail, I told you कि आपको तीन चीजों पे हमेशा अपने पॉइंट्स को चेक करते हैं. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू पे चेक करते हैं, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ग्रेटर देन 0 और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 है कि नहीं है. See, यहाँ पे वो चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to check it here. Why? Because if one of the points is lying between the roots, it means that roots are intersecting the x-axis and therefore are real. Therefore ये कंडीशन तो हमें चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. D greater than 0 or equal to 0, ये तो चेक ही नहीं करना. Second line we check upon is the line of symmetry. Since the line of symmetry is not sure here, where will be the line of symmetry, we don't even need to check the line of symmetry, which means -b upon 2a वाली कंडीशन को चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमने बात की थी कि there are three conditions you need to check: value of discriminant, the point, the line of symmetry, and third, the value of function at a particular point. Now the roots are lying between one of the roots is lying between -2 and 2. So this question can be summated in only one thing, that one of the roots is lying between 2 points -2 and 2. Now whenever one of the roots is lying between the -2 and 2, it is very symmetrical. So I have just removed one graph. Can I say that at the value of -2 this graph will be positive? कहीं भी intersect करेगा, पर देखो ना ये x axis है, ये y axis है, यहाँ तो positive value ही है. And at the value of 2 this graph is negative. x axis से नीचे आ रहा है. और अगर मैं दूसरा केस लेता -2 और 2 वाला, तो इसके अगर मैं अब यहाँ बना दूं, तो at the value of -2 this graph is negative, at the value of 2 this graph is positive, which means f of 2 into f of -2, यानी इस फंक्शन के अंदर अगर मैं अपने x की वैल्यू 2 डालूंगा और x की वैल्यू -2 डालूंगा तो ये प्रोडक्ट डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव आएगा. डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव आएगा मींस लेस देन 0 आएगा. This is one thing that you needed to be sure about, and this will bring an end to the question. यही चीज हमें समझ आनी थी और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है. Now I have understood this thing, and why this case is existing. I'll just repeat that at one of my roots the graph is taking a positive value. At one of my roots the graph is taking a negative value. Same here. At one of the roots the graph is taking the negative value. At one of the roots the graph is taking a positive value. So the product of these roots is less than 0, which means negative. Now let us just use this condition and let us just try to put in the values. So what will happen if I will put it as -2 and 2? Okay, अब इसको मैं -2 and 2 डाल के देखता हूँ. So if I am substituting x as let's say -2, then -2 का square 4a plus 12. ठीक है, -2 into 3 plus 6a plus 4 into, if I am substituting it as 2, 4a plus 12 again minus 6a plus 4 is less than 0. The product of these two things is less than 0. Now what is this? This is 10a plus 16 and this is minus 2a plus 16. This is less than 0. Now here comes the understanding of the other concept, that is the concept known as waving curve. If you don't know the concept of waving curve and don't know how to solve inequalities with quadratics, I have made a complete video on that. Please, the link is in description. You can watch it. Okay. Now, what are the basic necessity or the basic condition to apply waving curve? The basic condition to apply waving curve is on any equation of quadratic equation. If I want to apply waving curve method, I want to make sure that my coefficient of x square is positive and it is 1. Coefficient of x square is positive and it is 1. Since the coefficient needs to be positive, okay, let's just take 10 out of here common. If I take 10 out of common, a plus 16 by 10 or a plus 8 by 5. Okay. From here, let's take -2 common. If I take -2 common from this bracket, it will be a minus 8 less than 0. So basically -2 into 10. Okay, dividing both sides by -20. Dividing both sides by -20, I will get a plus 8 by 5 into a minus 8 greater than 0. ये greater than 0 बन जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने नेगेटिव को हटाया है तो मेरा इक्वालिटी का साइन चेंज होगा. Now it's very simple application of waving curve only. What is the application? I'll put one of the values as -8 by 5. I'll put one of the value of at 8. Now I will apply the waving curve. This is the region I need. This is how the waving curve will go. From the first point of intersection, it will go downwards. From the second point of intersection, it will go upwards. Now, this value has to be greater than 0. I need to consider the positive region. So this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. So what is the required range for A? It is -infinity to -8 by 5 in open brackets, because I am not including -infinity as well as infinity. तो चलो वैसे ही consider नहीं होता, ठीक है? So it is nothing but -infinity to -8 by 5 union 8 to infinity. 8 is again in open bracket because it is greater than and not greater than equal to. So this is the required answer, that my condition for A for which this question will exist will be -infinity to -8 by 5 union 8 to infinity. I hope you guys have understood this concept. Okay. And before we finish, if you wish to be the part of this legacy, please join us. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.